Cynthia the Property Manager here. Yes, I'm sitting on a toilet, and you might be too right now as you watch this video. So it's a good reminder to look around your toilet for any water leaks. You'll see why an undetected water leak can cause you big problems. Thank you, and make it a great day.
Okay. Well, there's no floor. It's missing.
Yeah.
See? Just crumbling away.